Hi, thank you for your interest in mutual funds. In this video, I'll tell you exactly how you can invest your money without being taxed. This is the secret of the wealthy, and this is where they keep their money. First, allow me to introduce IMG, one of the biggest financial services company in the Philippines today. They offer a wide array of financial products that solves the financial dilemma of many Filipinos and even OFWs. IMG is partnered with Rapper Financials, and they have an exclusive membership benefit for IMG members only. And I happen to be a senior marketing director at IMG, and I want to share this opportunity with you. Listen, when you invest directly in mutual funds company, they will collect 3.5% of sales load in every transaction. But if you invest through IMG, they will no longer deduct sales load from your investment. So if you invested 1,000 pesos, then you get 1,000 pesos worth of shares. No deductions, no taxes. This is the best deal you can get anywhere in the Philippines. And to tell you honestly, the fact that I'm not making any money from your membership literally means this is for your own good. This is my way of paying it forward, so take advantage of it. Join IMG now. We also have a members community that can also help you with your investing skills. To get you started, a membership fee of 6,000 pesos already includes 1,000 pesos worth of shares of Saldivo funds. With 1,000 worth of shares, you can now buy and sell mutual funds in the Philippine market. After a few trades, when you get more confident, you can top up your investment effortlessly in the portal. Easy peasy. Look, if you still want to sign up outside IMG and choose to break my heart, you're free to do so. Here's the link. Nonetheless, I would really love to see you investing. So, how about we do this together? Become an IMG member now. Just click the link below and I'll see you inside.